So after removing the engine out of the bike last week, I really didn't get time to even come near the engine. So as you can see, it is lying in the same position. So what we'll do first is we'll remove everything from here. So since you guys are lucky, you guys can see the power of editing. So in 3, 2, 1. So yeah, the working surface is reasonably clean. The engine is mounted on the makeshift stand and I hope it doesn't fall down. Yeah, looks tight. So yep, now let's take apart the engine. So I have misplaced the magnet puller somewhere, but if you have an RX100 you can use this kind of a magnet puller because the magnet here has thread, and this is the same as the one which is coming in Splendor. So you can just take it out and then put it like this, so one side will work. But then the RX135 is entirely a different animal because the magnet is like this. So what happens is there are 3 12mm bolts that thread into these 3 holes, and then the puller catches, and then you have to thread something here and the magnet comes out, and this magnet puller is not easily available. So what I did is I had an R15 magnet puller which is similar, and then I drilled 3 holes, so that fits pretty well on this magnet. But unfortunately I misplaced my magnet puller. So what this Kashmiri Ingenuity has done to this is, if you see, there is a piece missing here and there's a piece missing here. So I was trying to understand why these pieces are missing, but today I came to know about it when I had to actually pull this without a magnet puller. So what I did is I put a screwdriver here, slightly tapped it, and out comes the magnet. So all the screws are out. Now all we need to do is just split the crank. So before that I'll just put it straight so that nothing falls to the ground. So I'll tell you what exactly is happening. So once I place everything in here, then when I try to close this thing shifts, and because of which these shift forks also shift and they get misaligned. So that is the primary reason why we are facing this issue. So what we are going to do is I'm going to clean this from all the liquid gasket material that is stuck on it, and then I'm going to close it tomorrow because now it is time for me to babysit and it is too late. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow. So we are going to start where we left out yesterday. It took a lot of time, but finally I set the gears and it is not moving that smoothly because there is less amount of oil. That's a kind of difference a little bit of oil can make. Now it's fully rotating, as you can see. So yeah, let's just fit the rest. If you see, there is this edge is slightly beveled, so that should come up. This is where most of the guys make mistakes. Let's just install the clutch plates and close the sucker. So the usual progression is first install a clutch plate, then you install a steel plate. The steel plate should be such the plain edge should be facing that side and the beveled edge should be facing towards the outside. Another thing that you need to check is there will be writings on the clutch plates like what you see here. That should come out. So yeah, don't have a particular order for this, just pop them in. Next goes the clutch plunger. Then you have to place the pressure plate. So the thing about the pressure plate is it will go only in one way. So like see, if you try to put it like this, it won't go all the way in. So you just look at these holes and then place them in. So now it's all the way in. Let's just try the other configurations as well. To see which way it will be maximum in. So yeah, that's it. The engine is now ready to go inside the bike. Once it is put there, then is when I will install the head, because otherwise it won't go in. So I think yeah, we can conclude the engine build video. There's not much to be done. In the next video I'll show you guys how to install the rubber, and we'll also do the RDD CDI installation. So since the plate is already out, so I'll show you guys where to drill those new holes and advance and retard the timing based on what is supposed to be done. Okay, so I think that is going to be a wrap. So we'll catch up in the next video. Thank you. Good night.